this is Payal Sehgal, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do your soft smoky eye in the quickest way possible. So everyone, let's start doing basic smoky eye makeup. For that you're going to need all these brushes and just a roll-on Kajal pencil, black eyeshadow. That's it. With all these things you can achieve a simple smoky eye. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've already done my base, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes, that is roll-on kajal. First you just take any roll-on kajal or any kajal that you have at home. So you just need to rub it on your eyelid softly and gently, just on the upper lash, where you put your eyeliner. Just be soft and gentle. Just spread it out. Yeah. It doesn't have to be neat. It just have to be there on the lash line. This is going to be the quickest way to do a smoky eye. I'm not gonna put a challenge so that it's easy for you guys to understand. See, I've done this much. So I'm gonna take this pencil and I'm gonna put it on the waterline of my lashes, like here. Like putting a kajal here, I'm gonna put the kajal on the upper lash line so that there is no gap. It looks a little tough, but it's not. So see, this is how it's gonna look like. And now we're gonna smudge it as much as we can. I'm gonna take a smudging brush and I'm gonna just smudge it, brush off the extra product. In this motion, you just need to take it up. A lot of people ask me, oh my god, smoky eye, it looks very difficult, how to do it. So it's actually not difficult at all. You just need to follow these steps and you can achieve a decent smoky eye. See, so it doesn't have to be like too much dark. So I don't like taking it very up, it looks very loud otherwise. It depends if you like it. I'm just showing you the basic thing. So see, this is done. Can you see it? And don't forget the corners, no? Just have to make a C corner so that it's blended here as well. Yeah. So it's the smudging, it's done. Now the next step is to put an eyeshadow and we have to just blend it. I'll show you how to do it. Take your eyeshadow brush and your black color. Just need to dab a bit of the color on the eye. best to blend it with a brown color, like something that matches with the skin, that blends well with the skin, which is I'm gonna be using Cocoa from Huda Beauty. So I'm gonna show you how. So I've put this color and I'm gonna blend it with my blending brush. It's best to blend as much as you can, so keep blending. This is how it should look. Now after doing this blending, I'm gonna put on the brown color, like chocolate brown color, on the crease. To give it a soft look. In the same motion, you just need to move the brush like this. That's it. And you're almost done. On the corner, just brush it off. That's it. And you are done. How look? Smoky eye. Now you do the same thing on the lower lash line. Look. Just take the eyeshadow brush. You're gonna put, I think let's put a bit of blended. You can put Kajal also, so it's totally fine. It's not important to put an eyeshadow. I don't use it in the waterline. What you can do is you can use it in the waterline, and you can use a bit on the lower lash line, and you can just smudge it like the way we did it on the upper lash line on the eye. Guys, it's very important not to panic, because a lot of times when you're going to try this for the first time, the color might go way beyond. Just remember, it's you just are putting an uneven eyeliner and smudging it till your crease line, like just a bit below your crease. And of course, it's not gonna look even, and it's gonna look a bit shabby. So don't worry about it, because you have to blend it with a brown color as I showed you. So it's gonna make it, it's gonna balance it. So you just have to blend. The key to get a quickest smoky eye is just to blend. You blend it well, it's gonna look really nice. And one tip, guys, it's better to keep it a bit lighter, because it's more you get your hands on it, you'll be much quicker. So after this, you're gonna put the highlighter. I usually use Bay from Huda Beauty. And I'm gonna curl my lash now and then put mascara. Curled my lashes and now I'm gonna put mascara. So guys, this is the quickest way to do a smoky eye. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other eye. Here in this I have used an eyeliner and in this one I haven't. So see whichever intensity works for you. I usually skip the liner part because I like the soft smoky look more than the intense smoky look. So it totally depends on you. So now I'm just going to do my blush on and my lipstick and I'm all set to rock and roll. So I'm going to use Shy eyeshadow as a blush on. I'll show you. Just dab it. Take out the extra. I really like this eyeshadow, so I just want to try it. Trying it on my cheeks and it looked nice. So since then I'm using this color as a blush too. You can use whichever color you like. And you can try this color too. Soft. Just need to check the balance. Here the sides, and I'm gonna put it up there. Just that's good. This blush looks good with the eye makeup. So just always remember when you're doing your smoky eyes, just go soft on everything else. You don't have to be too much, you have to be less. Because smoky eye is already a lot going on in your eyes. So just be soft on the other angles like your cheeks, your lips. It should be subtle and soft. So guys, this is how I look after doing my lipo, and I have used Huda Beauty's Wifey. This is the look, and I hope you enjoyed my video. And this is how you do quickest smoky eye, soft smoky eye at home with the less products possible. Guys, I hope you like my video, and next time whenever you wanna go out with that smoky look, just follow these simple steps. Wear that gorgeous dress and